I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like it.
Hey y'all. Yeah, so I would have gotten ready, but I was running late and the camera slows me down. Also, it's hella moist. My hair finna be poofy as shit. But yeah, let me show you guys the fit really quick. Look how cute these sandals are. All right, let's go. We went to like a place that we've never been before. Cause I refuse to continue going to places that I've already been. For one, like the places my friends be wanting to go to are trash. Their drinks are trash. Like I'm not 18 anymore. You know, I'm not 18, 19. So the vibe of those places is giving I'm a cougar or something. Like not that I'm going there looking for people, but it's just like Alright, I'm gonna look at my friend.
Hey guys, it's Tiara. I'm back. We are currently on our way to brunch, meeting our girl Eva. We're like 2 minutes away. Super excited. Gonna be yummy.
I'm trying to eat.
I know, I'm starving.
That's
my favorite breakfast
I can do eggs Benedict. Of course it is.
It's so everywhere I go, I get that.
I can do it, but it has to be like I can't have the runny egg. I need it to be my
Oh, see, I love over easy
I don't
eggs.
want all that on my shit. Like
It's I know.
now this arm is giving him hock.
Shut up.
You're
You're ridiculous. So everyone knows,
Hot
we're no
roast.
longer nursing students.
Oh yeah, we're nurses.
anymore. We're actual registered nurses.
I start my first day
having
tomorrow.
jobs. So
Well, you've been working for like what, a month and a half?
Yeah.
Almost?
it's kind of wild.
She's legit. I'm not legit yet, but I have my license. That's all.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics.
Today is July 11th. It is 6:22 a.m. Your girl, if you can tell from the title, your girl has passed her NCLEX. I'm officially a licensed registered nurse, and today just so happens to be my first day of orientation. So not the first day of the rest of my life. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to get ready for my first day of orientation. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. You'll love it here. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Hope you enjoy the video. Hope everyone enjoys the video. What I have to do to get ready, I need to tack down the side of my head or my wig because it's not on. I need to iron my clothes. I need to take a shower and do a little bit of makeup. So okay, so for the fit, what I was initially going to wear, the shirt was an extra small that used to fit me. Don't fit no more. So yeah. So I'm just gonna wear the white t-shirt that I bought when I did my grad pictures. Of course I'm gonna iron it. I have just some plain black slacks. They are straight leg. I wish they were flared, but they're not. You wanna say hi? Oh, look at how big my chunky baby is. Then I have this blazer jacket. Y'all, I got this from the Goodwill. This jacket is cut so nicely. Like, you would have thought that I got this whole altered. It looks so good. Okay, so it's just a black blazer. And then I was gonna wear these pointed toe shoes, but child, my feet was hurting when I literally just put them on, so I knew I was gonna be in pain. So I have these wedges. I don't know where I got these from. All this shit is old as fuck, as in like 4 or 5 years old. So yeah.
Don't be so quick to walk away. That's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. That's me. You don't have to admit you all the way. Talk to me, boy. Disrespect, I want no more. Talk to me, boy. I can't wait to have you.
Y'all, I look like like I'm about to cater at a wedding. Here's the shirt. I don't know, is this like too much? I wish I had like a colorful shirt, but the one that I had, it just makes me so sweaty and I just don't have time. Let me fix my collar. I'm about to be tucking this damn shirt in all day. Okay, so let me show you guys really quick what's in my bag, which is nothing. Anyway, I'm taking my laptop. This is my license, and my wallet. That's it. Okay, so I changed. I don't know, I just was not, I don't know. It was giving server, so I'm wearing these. I changed my pants too, only because I wanted more of like a flared leg, and then the pants that I had on before, they didn't look good with this top. So right now I'm gonna go. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's much later in the day. We got out of class at 5 o'clock. So it's from 8 to 5. It's currently 9:11. Also, I just uploaded my graduation vlog, part 1. Honestly, by the time you see this video, it probably would have been like 3 or 4 videos ago. I'm so behind. It's not even funny. I just have so much going, like, so much has happened. It's ridiculous. I think my last video I posted June 11th. So much has happened since June 11th. Because even that video was behind. Like, that video I filmed in like April. So yeah, today was a lot. We got like a goodie bag, which really isn't a goodie bag, it's just a bag of study materials. We went over a lot of stuff today. We took notes, like, it literally, let me see, I took some pictures. Like, we went over like assessments, like how to assess the cardiac system, how to assess respiratory, and basically just really trying to prepare you even more to get ready to step out on the floor. So I can appreciate it. So I'm going to copy down the notes that I took today so I can be ready for tomorrow. I have my scrubs ready to go. So let me go ahead and go through what was in the bag that they gave us, and then I need to get this stuff done. Okay, so first things first, we get a lunchbox, and this is because we're basically kind of based out of a hotel because the company is third party. So we have like a hotel meeting room that we're going to have for the next 7 weeks. But this is the bag. I once again to star in. It comes with these little ice packs to put in here. Okay, so this is everything. I'm going to go ahead and break it down. Now, some of these things, I don't know what they are. We haven't talked about them. So I'm not going to be like explaining what it is because I don't know. Like, half this stuff is wrapped in cellophane. Okay, so this is just an EKG, ECG course workbook. I have no idea what it's about, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be covering ECGs. This is a skills checklist. I also received an provider manual, 8th edition, that covers trauma nursing. This is a core course. Right, and then I also received an emergency nursing pediatric course. Then I received this document. This is like a program that we use. I don't fully understand it, but this is just a manual that covers it. Then this is about the STAR RN program. I don't know what this covers, but yeah. We also have this, the CPI Nonviolent Crisis Intervention Training. I'm actually already certified, but I have to still go through the course again, whatever. Then we received a quick guide to cardiopulmonary care. So this is all just a lot of education because, of course, it's never ending. Then I have a booklet about the NIH stroke scale, earphone because we have to do a lot of online learning. This is a fluid challenge card. Don't really, yeah. We also received a pen. It says STAR RN. How cute. So, yeah, there's that. We also have an online textbook that is also for EKGs. Basically, just knowing how to read like a strip. So the notes that I took, my friend brought a journal, so I was like scribbling on this paper. We did like SBAR scenarios, so like she would read out to us report, and then we'd have to figure out like tell her verbally what we would do to prepare for that patient, what our first thoughts are. So now I just need to put all of this on my iPad. I'm gonna go to sleep because it's currently 9:26 and I wanted to be asleep by like 10 to 11 because I gotta get up early. And I was sleepy today. Yeah.
You got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, ooh, ooh. You a bad girl and your friends bad too, ooh. You got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, ooh. You a bad girl and your friends bad too, ooh. You got the swag, saucy drippin' swag, ooh, ooh.
I may be young, but I'm ready to feel you out. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down. Just a little.
Guys, it's day 2. So from here on out we're wearing scrubs. I'm tired. So right now I'm just at McDonald's. It is 7:49. I have to be there at 8. I'm literally like 5 minutes away. I'm just waiting on my food.
Modifications of the plan of care, physician notification of changes in patient condition.
On the patient's kit. So if the patient has a lot of hair, you want to make sure what? Hair good or not time. Going on.
You gonna do that?
Yeah, well, we are.
You'll see 6.
It's Friday. I think the last thing I filmed was the second day of my orientation, like Tuesday or Wednesday. There isn't much to say about the first week because it was pretty much like, you know, when you start a new job and they make you watch like all those training videos and stuff. So it was just a bunch of that. Next week should be a little bit more interesting because I'm doing my ACLS and my PALS certification. So right now I have no groceries. Well, I do, but I don't. Like, I basically don't. So I'm going to go grocery shopping. I don't like going to the grocery store. So I'm going to go to Walmart for like milk, cheese, and eggs. I'm going to Publix for everything else. Recently had this one. It was good. I think I'm going to get both. So right now I'm just gonna get some food. When I was at work, we came to this restaurant like on one of our lunch breaks, and it was so good, and I've literally been craving their food all week. And then I have something else that I want to do. I need to decide if I want to do it today or not. I might do it tomorrow. I got a top shelf margarita. piece of chicken on it. Caramelized onions, lettuce, tomato, some kind of sauce, melted cheese, bacon. Look at this. No, I had one a while ago. Get my nose pierced. Again.
I see it right there. Just barely though. Yeah. Alright. So you're gonna take a deep breath in. Little scar tissue in there.
I felt that. I'm so excited. I feel like the old me. Like, it's been so long since I've had this nose piercing and I have missed her. I got my piercing in the same spot that it was before. So I had a little bit of scar tissue, and so when she put, child, that shit, I could feel where it was like, oh my goodness. But it looks absolutely perfect, so I'm happy. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the car. We are going to like this R&B jazz type of thing, I don't know, but it's at like this little pavilion. So we got our lawn chairs and our umbrellas. We're meeting up with some of my mom's friends, so yeah. I'm just wearing this dress and my aspergills. My mom is over there along with her friends and Cassandra.
The city is my palace. 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 She won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them. About the girl them. About the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. She won't waste no time. I want she and she. They love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her right around my damn finger. I will never tell her so. Oh no.
Bring it back.
And then you're just gonna go one time up, all the way up the lines, and then one time underneath the lines. I'm done. Now you can throw it out. Beautiful. Yeah, and that's cute.
Texting message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I'd like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan. And shout out to my niggas with escape plans. 20 bands, rain dance. We can either rain check or we can make plans. Pocket loaded, rocket loaded, can't let's rock and roll this. Time to go, lock, stock, and two smoking barrels locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, chop climbing on them. You think I'm jumping out the window, I got them open. Line around the corner, line them up the block and open. Sometimes I even stop the smoking when it's time to focus. My shade, Dior, my pants, below. Create, explore, expand, concord. I came, I soar, I came, I soar. I praise the Lord, the break, the Lord. I take what's mine, then take some more. If
it rains, it pours, yeah. I sold the pack, the loose, the hard, yeah. I listen to X, I beat the bars, yeah. The snakes, the rats, the cats, the dogs, the games, a trap.
Hey CJ, nice thread. These old rags